Hello everyone, welcome to all of you our online YouTube class. So my dear students, today we have discussed about our decimal part, and that's division of decimal. Before classes we have discussed about addition of decimal, subtraction of decimal, multiplication of decimal, and today in this class we have discussed about our division of decimal. So my dear student, firstly you see what wrote on the board, that's some methods how to solve the if any type of question, just like in multiplication of division, that's some methods: multiply with 10, multiply with 100, multiply with 1000, 10,000, etc. Okay, that's the same process is here. It means if divide with 10, how what you do, divide with 100, divide with 1000, 10,000, what you do. So by addition, that's you see what wrote on the board, that's what is the method when you divide with the 10 with 100 with thousands. Okay, that's the first topic, dividing a decimal of 100, 10,000 each. Okay, next year first method is 10. When you divide with 10, how to divide? Okay, that's a left by one place. It means when you divide any type of number, that's you go in left by, just like here you divide with 16, here 16 16.8, 16.8. So what is your number? What is your number? It means when you divide that type of number, so what's your answer? Just like here, you when you multiply, you go in that side, and that you multiply, you go in that side. It means that's your answer. Your answer is 168. So that's your answer. Okay, my dear student. Okay, so you see, okay, due to some problem, that's it. You also see first. Firstly, you divide with that number. Okay, it means 168. Firstly, write down. And what says your left one place? Left one place. You go in that side. One place. It means that's your answer. 16.5. Okay, you go in left side, and that's a one place. So one place. That's your answer. And next year when divide with 100. Divide with 100. First you write your question. 2, 3, 6, 4. Okay. And that's your point here. You go in left of how many digits? 2 place. 1, 2 place. So that's you count. You count the number of that. Firstly here points available. Okay. 1, 2 place. It means that's your answer. When you divide, and that's number, that's you go in that 1 to 2 place. Okay, next year 37096. Your point here, you go in 3 place. Here points 1, 2, 3 place. So that's your. My dear students, if you have any question in that time, you divide with 10, 100, 1000. So firstly you count the digit, count digit after. Okay, and next you write down here. So that's your 1 points. Next you go in 3 place after. So 1, 2, 3 place. That's your answer. So if you have any type of question, if in your book any type of question in that, so you solve in that method. So first you write down. Next question, next process, dividing a decimal by whole number. If you have how to divide any type of question by your whole number, how to solve, you see here. Okay, you see that's some methods, right? Perform the division by considering the divide the whole number. If you have question, so first you divide of that number. It means just like here 9 divide 0.567. Divide. And how to use if points available. Okay, next year, when the division of whole number part of the dividend is complete, dividend is complete, it means that part division of complete, in that type next year put the decimal point on the quotient. It means you put here quotient. If that's complete, then you put division quotient in decimal in quotient, and proceed with the division in case of whole numbers, in whole number case. Okay, so you see here when how to divide of number. Okay, when you divide with 9 of 0, that's not good. Okay, so you firstly use the point. Why? Because here 0 also. Okay, points here, so you not write, that's a not right here. Okay, so next here you write here 5, here 0 you write here. Okay, next step, that's 5, 1 points here, and next 9 in 5, not good, so you write here 5. If one time 2 points, 2 digit come from off, so you write here 0. 9, you read the table of 9 of 56. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 9 6s are 54. When you subtract, that's the 2. Next here left 7. 9 3s are 27. That's your answer. It means your answer is 0.063. So that's your answer is 0.063. 0.063. If you have any type of question come, divide by that number, okay, so first you divide with that number, it means you divide number. So if that's in your division in complete of that sense, then you write here, and after that you use point. Then if not complete, just like here 0 and here 9, that's not good, so you also write here 0 and not write you, and here points, so you write here points, you also write here points. One time point and 5 come, so that's you 0, and next not go, so next you write here 0. Okay, so next 56, 9 6 are 54, and 6 minus 4 is 2, and next left 7 minus 2, it means 9 3 are 27. So that's your answer is 0.063. So your answer. So firstly you complete, write in your copy. Okay. Okay, so my dear students, today's our decimal part all part clear, all part complete. So next day we have discussed about next new chapter. So my dear student, it will 6th class and 7th class, and next day we have discussed about a next topic. In that period, some students say, sir, you taught both chapter. It means both chapter of just like 7th class chapter and 6th class chapter one time, how to clear. So my dear student, you have no any problem. If you have any problem, so you also say what you not understand, so I also solve your problem. So you stay home, save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.